So I'm going to share a little tip with you that I kind of learned the hard way while using Fusion 360. I have some rose petals here that I want to cut out, and then a kind of a smaller petal that I want to add to this. And I have a sheet of material that I want to use, so I want to put them all on the sheet of material. So what I've been doing is I'll go ahead and grab my petal, I'll right click, and then I'll hit move and copy, and I'll start moving this petal. And I realized that I've got something else snagged up in here too, which is pulling this piece all crazy and out of proportion. So by highlighting it, what I'm realizing is that I've got other points that are the radius of these pieces involved in there. So I'm going to hit cancel. And I usually turn everything off in my sketch palette because it makes things easier for me when I'm drawing, but I'm going to turn the points back on. So now when I go to select this petal, I realize that I have got some extra points here that don't need to be part of what I'm moving, specifically this one right here. And I think if I hover over it, no, it doesn't bring up this radius, but that is the center of this radius. So I'm going to hit Control, and I'm going to click on that point, and it got rid of it. Now I'm going to hit Move and Copy, and see if I got rid of everything, and I did. So that seems to be the problem, is that sometimes when I've got options on my sketch palette turned off, I don't realize that I'm grabbing points or references for other parts. But if you go back and do that, you can easily find the points that relate to other features, such as when I highlight this line, you see that point out in the middle there that signifies the center or the radius of that line. So you can go and click those and move your parts without having to worry about screwing up your other geometries.